plants living and surviving. We have already learned that plants are living things, and we can see plants are almost everywhere on the earth, on the land, on the mountains, in the plains and in the desert, and in water as well. So, we are going to study how these plants live and they survive in different situations. The special place where plants grow are called habitat. Plants differ from each other depending on where they grow. The place where you live is known as habitat. Like if you live in your home, then your home is your habitat. So, the special place where any plant live or grow is known as its habitat. Like animals, when they live in the forest, then the forest is their habitat. So, habitat is nothing, just the home or the place where they grow. Next, adaptation. The special features that plants have to enable them to survive in the surrounding is known as adaptation. It is because adaptation to their surrounding that plants look different too. For example, if you see, we see normal plants having proper leaves, stems, flowers, but when we see a plant which is grown in desert have spines over it. So, what happened? This plant adapt themselves so that it can survive in hot weather, or you can say hot condition. So, this kind of adaptation is known as adaptation done by the plants. The special feature, all the special things which the plant does in order to survive in any of the surrounding is known as the adaptation. Like people living in Rajasthan or desert, they feel much more cold, but they are adapted to that place. With respect to the persons or people living in like plains as we are living, or the people living like in hills, okay. So, they adapt themselves to survive so that they can survive themselves. So, what happens here? They convert them, the leaves are converted into spines. So, these are the special kinds of adaptation which the plant does. So, that is only known as adaptation. Now, let us talk about the division of plants. The plants has been divided into two groups. First is the terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants are the plants that grow on land. There are different types of terrestrial plants depending on the condition they grow in. And the second is aquatic plant. Aquatic plants are the plants which grow in water or on water. Now, let us see some of the types of plants which are found on terrestrial plant. In terrestrial plant, we will see hills, deserts, plains, marshy places, hot and damp areas. The plants which are found in hills will be something looking like this: plants found in desert, plants found in plains, and plants found in marshy places. Now, let us see some of the plants found in aquatic plants. They are floating plants, which will be looking something like this as the given figure. Figs plant, but it will be found in water, and the last one is underwater or the submerged plant. So, these are the types of plants. In next video, we will be discussing in detail about the terrestrial plants as well as aquatic plant. Thank you.